Hey everyone, have you ever been so angry that just saying angry isn't enough? Today I'm going to teach you 5 advanced words to express different types of anger like a native speaker. Let's get started. The first word is fuming. Fuming is when you're so mad that you can't hide it. Your face is red, your breathing is heavy, and everyone can see you're angry. For example, I was fuming when my coworker took credit for my idea. Now, let's watch some examples from TV shows where they used the word fuming.
I'm fuming and very certain, but still you're so good at this.
Don't even want to eat this right now. I'm fuming, man.
I'm fuming.
I am fuming. And also...
Jesus, but I'm fuming, so I am.
The second word is livid. Livid is much stronger than just angry. It means you're absolutely furious. This is when someone is shaking with rage, maybe even ready to explode. For example, he was livid when he found out someone scratched his brand new car. Now, let's watch some examples from TV shows where they use the word livid.
Look, Mom, I know you're frustrated.
Frustrated.
Okay?
I'm livid.
I am livid. Absolutely livid.
I am livid with Frederick because confidentiality is key, and now he's jeopardized our relationship with the client.
I got off the phone with Charlie. He's livid.
Should be angry.
I'm livid.
The third word is seething. Seething is different from fuming or livid. It's when you're extremely angry, but keeping it inside, just waiting to explode. For example, she was seething with anger when her little brother broke her laptop, but she didn't want to make a scene. Now, let's watch some examples from TV shows where they use the word seething.
I will now attempt to run my company, showing compassion for the seething throng of my partners who root quietly for me to fail.
You do, honey. And I knew you do, and that's how I reacted to the shame. And you reacted by showing seething contempt for me.
Come on. It's hard enough keeping a marriage. And I think if I were your boss and had to ride your ass every day, you would come home seething with resentment.
You know what? If I wasn't so enlightened, I'd be seething with anger right now.
The fourth word is upset. Now, not all anger is explosive. Sometimes it's mixed with sadness or disappointment. That's when we use upset. For example, she was really upset when her best friend forgot her birthday. Now, let's watch some examples from TV shows where they use the word upset.
I'm just upset that I'm getting nowhere with Joshua.
I'm not going to let myself be upset by you, but I'm going to tell you something. You make me feel so crazy.
Oh, and you know, if she gets upset, just scratch her tummy and give her a liver snap.
Okay, honey. I know Elliot upset you with this whole Keith thing.
The fifth word is indignant. Indignant is when you're not just mad. You feel like you've been treated unfairly or disrespected. For example, he was indignant when he was told he couldn't enter the event even though he had a ticket. Now, let's watch some examples from TV shows where they use the word indignant.
I have never felt so indignant.
Listen, you know what? I was really freaked out too when I found out.
No, I'm not freaked out. I'm indignant as a consumer.
They're terrified, weren't they? So indignant.
So, now you have 5 powerful words to express anger in English. Which one was new for you? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more advanced English lessons.